We are going to ask some really complex questions from our sales data set. And these are the questions which are not easy to answer because it requires complex SQL. So let me start with my first question here. I want to compare sales for Q1 and Q2 for 2024 by category. And I also want to see growth between two quarters in percent. Awesome. I can see Q1, Q2 sales for comparison. I have growth rate in percent as well. Now let's ask the same question for one particular territory I'm interested in, Northeast territory. Now I can look at it. I see that for accessories growth rate is negative here. So sales is going down. I can also look at the chart here. And if I just want to see growth percent, I can hide these two and there you go, right? So let's go ahead and ask some more complex questions from our data set to see what are the top 5 products by sales in each territory and only in 2024. So I can see by each territory it's showing me top 5 products in Australia. So pretty good comparison, good information about different products. And if I want to see in chart, it just shows me total sales by different territories. Now let's go ahead and make it a little bit more complex. Now I want to find customer churn, right? So this is the question. For customer who purchased in 23 but nothing in 24, show me a list of those customers, sales for those customers. Awesome. So I can see there are 334 customers who purchased something from us in 23 but nothing in 24. So they are customer churn. Now I can download this and review it and maybe run campaign or encourage this customer to buy again from us. So now let's do some comparison, like show me all the product for which sales is going down in 23 compared to 22 so that we can do something about it. All right, so I can see sales 22 and 23 for each of these products here and sales difference. And of course, sales will be negative here for most of this because in 23 sales is going down for most of these. All right, so and we can of course look at the SQL to see if I'm getting correct value or not, right? There's an explanation for SQL as well. User can look at it and then user can be confident that result they're looking at is accurate. Now, last question I want to ask is I want to compare Thanksgiving sales by category for 22 versus 23. Now let's look at this. I know this is showing you sales for 22 and 23 difference and also percent difference between sales for these two categories in different years, right? Now looks like sales is going down for most of these, but anyway, let's look at the SQL. Just want to make sure that query that applied the filter is correct. So there you go. It has correct date filter and everything for 22 sales and 23 sales for Thanksgiving.